Have you ever wondered how to find and secure a business mentor on LinkedIn? The value of a great mentor cannot be overstated. A mentor can open doors, offer invaluable insight, and provide guidance in the complex world of entrepreneurship. Today, we delve into how you can find and secure the right mentor for you on LinkedIn, the world's largest professional networking platform. Step 1. Define your objectives. Before setting out on your quest, it's crucial to understand what you're looking for. What industry is your mentor in? What experience should they have? What goals do you want to achieve with their guidance? Having clear objectives will help in identifying the right mentor. Step 2. Research. Once you've defined your objectives, the next step is to begin your search. LinkedIn's advanced search feature is a powerful tool. You can filter by location, industry, and even specific companies. Look for individuals who have a history of mentoring or who hold positions you aspire to. Scene script. Step 3. Connect. LinkedIn allows you to connect with professionals by sending them a connection request. However, don't rush in. Personalize your connection request. Explain why you're interested in connecting with them. Mention any common connections or shared interests, and express your admiration for their work. Step 4. Engage. After connecting, don't immediately ask for mentorship. Instead, engage with their content. Comment on their posts, share their articles, and show genuine interest in what they do. This lays the groundwork for a relationship. Step 5. Request for mentorship. After building rapport, it's time to ask for mentorship. Be clear, concise, and respectful. Explain why you believe they would be a great mentor and how their guidance can help you achieve your goals. Now let's summarize the key points. First, define your objectives. Know what you're looking for in a mentor. Second, research. Use LinkedIn's advanced search to find potential mentors. Third, connect. Personalize your connection requests. Fourth, engage. Participate in their content to build rapport. And finally, ask for mentorship. Be clear and respectful in your request. Finding and securing a mentor on LinkedIn may seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to gaining the guidance and support you need. Remember, the journey to securing a mentor is often a marathon, not a sprint. So stay patient, persevere, and you're sure to find the perfect mentor to help you navigate the business world.